perler problem. Like, I've been making so many perlers, from like cartoons, aliens, to Millennium. Like, seriously, so much candy. I've even used it to decorate my Christmas tree. So many things to do. You can make them as gifts for people. Like I said, there's like bracelets and stuff, but I digress. Hey y'all, I'm RaveWithShai. If you have been watching all of the videos so far, you've learned what candy is, what perler stands for, how to trade candy, how to make candy, the different types of candy. And I think I'm gonna do another video, so stick around for that, on different messages and different ideas to put as a message on your candy. And I'll show you some of mine, since it's been almost a year since I first showed off my candy collection. And now we're going to talk about how to make perlers. What is a perler? These are perlers. You may remember making these when you were a little kid. This is the Perler brand. So perler beads are these little plastic fusion beads. In order to make a perler, you're going to need some fusion beads. They look like this. The beads, you'll want some wax paper. Wax paper keeps the beads from melting or getting stuck to the iron. Oh yeah, you're gonna need an iron. How do I forget the iron? When you're prepping, you're going to wanna get your iron and dump any of the water out of it and turn it off of a steamer setting and put it onto medium. In my case, it is polyester. You'll need a pegboard. I have several. So I've got square, there's flowers, there's circles, there's really everything, to be honest. I think I have dolphins, there's butterflies, I've got stars. You name it, there's a pegboard for it. These little guys help you to pick up the beads, to place them. So let's talk about how to turn all of this into this. First thing you have to do is figure out what you want to do. I'm going to keep it simple, and we're going to go ahead and do a butterfly. Let's do something even easier. We'll start with a circle. There's a lot of different places you can go online to find perler patterns, and I've also found it really fun to kind of create my own creations. So you get your circle, get your beads, and all you're going to do is pick out the colors that you want, pick them up, place them around here. Once you have your pattern ready, you're gonna find a flat surface, put wax paper over it, and then you firmly press down and go in circles for about 30 seconds to a minute. There's actually quite a bit of debate on this. So some people do the tape method. If you want to check that out, I'll have some links down below on people that use the tape method. For me, I just put the beads on and iron it, let it cool off, take it off, flip it over, put the wax over that, iron it again, and then stick it under a book and let it harden. You guys, it's so easy. It's so silly. Then stay tuned, because I am a live streamer on the Bigo Live app. If you don't know what Bigo Live is, check out the video on what is Bigo Live and how to get paid working remotely from home. This is the little kind of like mascot or logo of Bigo Live, and I taught myself how to make one. And in the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Bigo Dino perler. I will link down below where you can find some fun perler patterns and other tutorials, like how to make an Odessa perler, which I've done earlier, and how to do cool beading. This was really fun, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a perler, and I want to see your perlers. Let me know down below. Did you try it? Do you do a different method than I do? Have you tried the tape method? I need to try it. But until next time, guys, I'm RaveWithShai. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.